Ayan, after 2.5 hours, nasa Abrating Ilog na tayo. Meron pa tayong 3 oras na tatakbuhin para makarating sa San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Kaya kung magluloop din kayo, recommended ko na kunin yung alis ng barko sa Batangas Port ay 3 AM via Montenegro para saktong pagputok ng araw nasa Abra Port na kayo. Masarap tumiyahe pag ganito, halos solo mo ang kalsada, anlipiga, ika nga nila. So paano? Sound trip muna tayo at enjoyin muna natin ang daan ng Occidental Mindoro.
Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow.
I should slow down, take it easy. I just keep on staring at my phone. Yeah, my head's spinning, heart's racing, knowing that you could give me a call. I lay awake at night because all I seem to think about is you. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Do I want this too much? I know I have burned you once before.
Papasok na tayo ng sablayan na may nadaanan pa tayong disgrasya. Mukhang okay naman si Kuya.
But I just wanna try because all that I can think about is you. And I don't know what to do. just keep on staring at my phone. Yeah, my head's spinning, heart's racing, knowing that you could give me a call. I lay awake at night because all I seem to think about is you. Can I stay for a while? 'Cause I don't know any better. I should say something clever, but I can't think whatsoever. Because my logic's out the window when I'm sitting next to you. Go ahead and break my heart if you want to, but I'll stay for a while if that's okay with you.
Pasok na tayo ng Suppliant Penal Colony. Pinagduan. Tanggal na tayo ng helmet.
Kasi bawal sa loob ng Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm na naka-helmet ka. Shortcut kasi to kaysa dumaan ka pa ng mismong bayan ng Sablayan. Malayo yung iikutan mo doon. Ang oras pala ng pagdaan dito 5 AM hanggang 10 PM lang. Makikita mo yung checkpoint na yan, papahintuin ka dyan at papaalis yung helmet mo. Nakalabas ka na. Tsaka ka na magsuot uli ng helmet. Makikita nyo yung mga bilanggo dito, naglalakad-lakad lang. Mapapansin mo sila dahil pare-parehas ang kulay ng damit nila. O siya, see you sa part 3. Isang oras na lang din naman. Ano na tayo?